Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to establish the manufacture date on your HP ENVY X360. So this laptop I believe was introduced in 2014, but it had many different revisions and it's being produced up to this day with different models, more newer or older. So to establish the actual date it was produced on, I suggest to closing the lid, then flipping it over, and at the back you should see your serial number. So I'm gonna zoom it in for you. And as you can see, here is my serial number. The fourth, fifth, and sixth digit is the manufacture date. So the first of these three digits, so the fourth digit, will be the year. So in this case it's 3, so it'll be 2023. Then 05 will mean that it's the 5th week of this year, so it was manufactured at the beginning of February 2023. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.